In this video, I will show you how to divide data or division in Google Sheets, so let's get started with the video process. In this table, we have two different set of data. One column is the name, and the other column is the units produced by each individual. In the third column, we will calculate and add the payment. Every individual gets $1 for every 25 units produced. So we need to divide the production by 25 to get each individual's payments. So the formula for it is equals to sum, open parenthesis, B2, backslash, 25, close parenthesis. Here, backslash sign stands for divide or division. And done, we have the results in this cell. Now to get the same results for the entire column, we need to copy the C2 cell results and paste it in all these cells. And done, we have the results by using the divide formula in Google Sheets. With this we are done with the multiply in Google Sheets. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.